If your Windows 11 update is stuck on restart required, or it shows pending restart but never finishes installing, you are not alone. Many users installing the Windows 11 Insider Preview feature update 26220.8062 are seeing this exact problem where Windows asks for a restart again and again, but the update never completes. In this video, I will show you several working fixes step by step that can completely solve this issue. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last fix is the one that solves this problem for most users. Let's start with the simplest solution first. 1. Restart the Windows Update services. First, we will restart some background services that may have crashed silently. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. A new window will open. Scroll down and find these three services. 1. Windows Update. 2. Background Intelligent Transfer Service. 3. Cryptographic Services. Right-click on each one and choose Restart. If any of them are already stopped, right-click and choose Start. Close the Services window and check if the update page now loads properly. If not, move to the next fix. 2. Clear Windows Update Cache. Sometimes, old or corrupted files in the Update folder cause this issue. Let us clear them. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Now type these commands one by one. I will go slow. Type netstop wazirf, netstop bits, netstop crwipe tsvc. This stops the update-related services. Now delete the cached files with this command. del/s/q%winder%\software distribution /download. After this, restart the services. netstart wazirf, netstart bits, netstart crwipe tsvc. Close the command prompt and try to open Windows Update again. Still stuck? Let us dig deeper. 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System. Then Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let Windows scan and fix any known problems with the Update module. This process takes a minute or two. If it finds and fixes something, restart your PC before checking again. 4. Use SFC and DISM to fix corrupt system files. If the issue is coming from damaged Windows files, this step can help. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Now type sfc/scan now. This scan may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once finished, run this command next. dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This will repair your system image using official files. Once done, restart your PC. Now check Windows Update. Is it working? If yes, congratulations. If not, we have one final method. 5. Reset Windows Update components manually. This is the strongest fix. Open PowerShell as Administrator. Paste and run this full reset command. Copy-paste it from description. This resets all update-related files and services. After this, restart your system and go back to Settings and Windows Update. Performance Boost Tip. Once you've successfully updated, open Command Prompt as Admin and run. cleangr/sageset 1. cleangr/sagerun 1. This cleans leftover update and temp files, freeing up space and improving Windows responsiveness after the update. So these are the best working fixes to solve the Windows 11 update stuck on restart required or pending restart issue. Start from the simple restart method, then move toward clearing the update cache and repairing Windows system files. One of these fixes should completely resolve the problem. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows fixes, gaming fixes, and performance optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.